Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Translate API in Google Cloud and generating an API key, because Excel will call that service directly. Once done, open Excel with Power Query or Excel 365 Get and Transform. Make sure your data table has a source language column, a target language column, and the text column. You then store the API key securely in a named range or environment variable to avoid pasting it into formulas. This first step sets up authentication and the minimal structure necessary to translate programmatically. Now you build the HTTP request inside Power Query. You create a new blank query, use web contents with the translate endpoint URL, and supply headers including authorization, bearer or key parameter depending on your key type. This is how Excel talks to Google. Then you construct a JSON body for each row or batched rows with fields like queue, target, and format. Make sure to transform responses from JSON to table rows. Expand the translated text field and use grouping or batching to avoid hitting rate limits. Finally, load the translated column back into your worksheet and confirm alignment with the original rows. You can set refresh behavior to manual or scheduled. Make sure to cache or store results in a separate table so you don't repeatedly incur API calls and costs. If something goes wrong, inspect the error body in Power Query. Common issues are invalid API key, exceeded quota, improper JSON encoding of special characters, or wrong endpoint path. If you see rate errors, implement batching or add pauses between requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.